In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in your Chevy Tahoe key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. You do not need to bring your key fob to the dealership to get it done. The whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only thing you will need is one CR2450 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to find one, go check out that first link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, there is a version of this device that has 4 buttons as well as a 5-button one, and then the 6-button one that you see here. It doesn't matter which one you have. You can follow along with this video because they are just different versions of the same device, and the process to open them up is the same and the battery is the same as well. So the first step is just to flip over and find the button on the side of your device. Hold that button down while you pull out the internal key. And from here, it's actually very simple. We're going to use this key by going in that hole right there. We're going to pry off this back section of plastic. So go ahead and right next to the keyhole, find this slot and then just pry up. You're just kind of prying and pushing this back piece of plastic up and off. And once you have it free, set that down. Keep the key over here because we're going to use that now in one of these indentations, just getting under the battery and prying it up. Once you have your battery out, go ahead and dispose of the old one. Make sure your new one is a 2450 battery. And when you're putting it in there, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. So you'll just slide it under this tab, click it in on the top, and now we just can put the whole thing back together, which is very easy. Just want to line up the part on the top there before clicking it in on the bottom. Make sure it is nice and secure before putting your key back in there. And with that, you are done. You are good to go. You've got a new battery in there, and it took you just a few minutes, just a few dollars. So I hope that video was helpful for you. And if it was, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials for the key fobs from almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, FobBattery.com.